everybody, it's Tyler. Welcome to No Idea Automotive. On today's episode, we are going to be using something called GLASSPARENCY. Now, of course, they're not sponsoring me or anything like that. I did get this for free. I don't really recall how I ended up getting this for free. All I had to do was pay for shipping, but I wanted to try it on my windshield here and see how it goes. And I kind of wanted to just show you guys if this is something you may be interested in. Check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. You can decide whether it's something that you would use or not. We're going to look at the instructions together. So we're supposed to thoroughly clean glass with an alcohol-based cleaner and an aloe-free paper towel. Well, this is the glass cleaner that I have. Just some Walmart off-brand glass cleaner that's ammonia-free. I don't know if it's alcohol-based. I don't really know how much that matters. Probably matters a lot. We do have some shop towels here that we're going to use. And I'm pretty sure these are aloe-free. So we got those two items there. So we're going to clean the glass with these items. And then we're going to move to step 2. This is my least favorite thing to do, is to clean glass. Also, I gotta admit, either these paper towels or this glass cleaner really suck, because we're in Streakville. What is happening? Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know if it's probably a combination of both this glass cleaner and these paper towels that just are not working in unison together. I did notice there's right here, there's a little nick in my windshield. That's sad. Okay, so we're gonna move to step 2. Step 2 is saturate both scrub pad and glass with clean water, open cream cleanser packet, and apply $half sized amount onto scrub pad. Gently scrub glass in a circular motion with scrub pad covering and cleaning entire windshield. Rinse surface with clean water to remove all cream cleanser. Okay. The wind, man, the wind. All right. Oh, Jesus, everything's happening. So I'm supposed to saturate the scrub pad. Seems saturated. What did the instructions say again? Open the cream. I gotta open this cream. I gotta open the cream. I have to do a $half. Who uses $half anymore? That's about $half, right? That's about $half, right? Oh, it's getting off the thing. Once I do that, I scrub it in a circular motion. I guess I'm supposed to do this while it's still wet. Oh, I hope I'm doing this right. I'm sure if people at the GLASSPARENCY place see me doing this wrong, I'm sure they'll tell me I'm doing it wrong, right? Or maybe you will, if you're watching, because that's what this channel's all about, right? No idea. I have no earthly idea what I'm doing. I should have probably taken my windshield wipers up. Oh Lord. I think we did that good. I think so anyway. All right, on to step 3. In a well-ventilated area, tear open step A. Start on driver's side and wipe towelette in a basket weave motion across glass. Repeat on passenger side. Let step A cure to the glass for approximately 1 minute. Well, I'm outside, so it is ventilated. But basket weave motion. Okay, let's see. That's step A and step B right here. This is step A. So I gotta do it in a basket weave. A basket weave like this? Is this what we call, no. Is this what we call a basket weave? This seems weavy. It stinks. And I got it all over my car. Is that a bad thing? I should probably wipe that off. I'm weaving. I'm running out of daylight. I gotta weave my cleaner. All right, I feel like I weaved enough. Okay, so I gotta wait 1 minute and then we can move on to step B. I'm an idiot, and upon further reading on the package, I probably should have put gloves on when I started this. So please wear gloves if you attempt this wind, man. It's flying everywhere. Stop moving around. So yeah, should have probably put gloves on in the first place. This is just going dandy. Let's finish it. We gotta go to step B now. Honestly, it just smells like an apple soaked in alcohol. So step B is basically the same thing. It's in a basket weave motion. All my trash is falling. So I don't even think I explained. So this is supposed to protect the glass. I'm assuming. I got it in the mail. I was like, hey, something that I can put on the glass to protect it. So here we are. It was free, so why not give it a shot? Okay, there's step B. While we wait for this to cure on the windshield, yeah, so GLASSPARENCY does protect your glass, which is pretty awesome. They also have all these different types of things here, and this is the windshield kit. So in the kit, we got a pad, we got step A and B. It kind of goes over the instructions on the back. It's probably been about 1 minute since I've finished. This says that we should remove the residue with a wet towel or cloth. I have to go get a wet towel or cloth now. I was woefully unprepared for this. I probably should have read these instructions before I started. So we got a wet cloth. We're about to wipe off the residue. Okay, so the glass has been wiped off with a wet cloth to get all the residue off. And the instructions, which blew over there, now say I have to buff it with a microfiber cloth, which I have to go get because, again, I'm unprepared. Well, before we do the microfiber cloth, the instructions actually say go back with the glass cleaner and a paper towel. So we'll do that again. All right, for the final step to buff this off. I'm exhausted and I feel like I haven't even really done that much. Okay. All right, so now I'm just wiping it down with this microfiber cloth here. Okay, so put my blades back down on here. Oh, so much sweat down here. And all right, here is my windshield. Honestly, of course, it just looks a lot cleaner than it did. This is really just supposed to protect it. And if you want, GLASSPARENCY, their website is glassparency.com. This is them. If you want to check it out and see if it works, go for it. I mean, they're not sponsoring this video or anything. It's just something I got for free and wanted to test out. One thing we learned from today, read the instructions fully before you start and be better prepared, because we were not prepared at all. And this was kind of a mess. Hey, if anything, I got my windshield very clean, and I've kind of made a mess. Something I did forget to mention is there is a like maintenance piece to this. It says maintenance keep right here, and it says over time due to windshield wiper abrasion, you will need to apply the maintenance solution provided to rejuvenate the repellency of the glass, and it gives you instructions how to do that. So there is this here that they give you to maintain it, so that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to keep this somewhere safe, so over time, whenever it gets to that point, I will be able to use this. And I will also give you guys an update how happens with this. It does seem like it's supposed to repel water, and it's gonna rain for the next week here where I live. So I will give you guys an update. I'll probably give that update on Instagram. So if you would, go follow our Instagram on No Idea Auto, and you'll have that update there for you. All right, so thank you for watching today's video of me putting this GLASSPARENCY protectant on my windshield. I hope you got some enjoyment out of that. It was a total mess, and I apologize, but that's kind of what this whole channel is, a complete mess of people having no idea what they're really doing. But if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you would, subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on the journeys of car projects that we're doing. And if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time we release a video, which videos are released every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around 11 p.m. Eastern time in the US. I am exhausted and I gotta clean up this mess. So until the next one, learn what you don't know.